If I'm trying to reduce my alcohol intake and I have a mini fridge on my, I'd get fired for this if I was at work, but even at home, like my home office, if I have a mini fridge in my home office on my desk with a six pack of beer in it, I can be halfway through a beer before I even realize, like, oh, wait a minute. I was trying not to do this as much. And like, I basically am done. Like, it's already happened. And I didn't even consciously realize that I did it. We make so many decisions on autopilot. And that's always going to be true. I don't care how much willpower you have. I don't care how motivated you are right now. Most of your day is autopilot.